Hi guys, just a quick video. The new shed. Not here yet. This is my old shed, as you can see. Not very tidy at all. No space for nothing. I've got massive, big models to build and repair, and there's literally no space to do anything. So the plan is to click my fingers and I'll be stood in a brand new shed. I'm building it myself, so I was going to do a little bit of a video on that. Yeah, brand new shed, twice the size, better laid out, more space, more cupboards, charging area, more of that stuff in here, just generally more really. But all I've got to do is click my fingers. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! It worked! All I had to do is click my fingers. Wow! Now that is a shed. Now that's how you do it. This is going to be epic. Oh dear. Anyway, cut to the serious stuff. It's been about a month, I suppose, in possibly the wettest September/October we've had for a while. So it's not done much video footage of the actual build as such. I've got a few clips off my security cameras, done a few photos which I'll kind of mingle in and chop up and put in this video, so you'll get to see quite what I've been through. Still bits to do, still got to put edging bits around the windows and stuff, hang a few more planes up, but got to do a carpet or laminate or something. But yeah, we get around to doing that. That ain't in there straight. There we go. But yeah, still bits to do. Tidying up. Yes, for those keen-eyed people there is 26 outlets, sockets slash USB ports and stuff in this room. Or say not 26, but it's 26 outlets and I think 10 USB ports. So no matter where you are, you can plug something in. Yay! So that hot glue gun is going to get used to buggery, that's all I can say. Got to work out where I'm going to put my little toolboxes and stuff, ongoing projects, charging area. That little gap's going to be the 3D printer, microwave, for those long nights. This is primarily going to be soldering and delicate knick-knacky cut work in that old area. This is going to be the main build table. I've gone for a 900mm worktop, mainly because my old one, when I was doing stuff like the Spitfire and that big Edge 330 that I had, it wouldn't fit on the bench, would it? So a good 900mm worktop was needed to give you enough width. Also, you're trying to keep this reasonably clear on the length of it to do bigger builds slash 2 people working if I have guests at some point. Yeah, generally storage. Gonna hang the good ones on the wall slash ones that I think are worth hanging on the wall. You'll notice the Bixler 2 isn't there at the moment. It's a little bit worse for wear after this year, so I'm planning on getting a new one, but a Bixler 2 will be hanging on the wall because it's pretty much a bit of an epic basher really. You've got nano drac, mini drac, a little edge profile plane which is really good fun, EF extra, epic plane, This one's not actually hanging on the wall, but it's got a conserving plane, and my little favourite, the older 50cc Spitfire. Mini Talon is going to be the first one on the bench to be repaired. That's the main section, the tail and the nose is over there. In fact, I don't know where the nose is. Is the nose over there? Yeah, that's the nose. If you don't know what actually happened to that, look back at my previous video about the Tunnel of Doom. The Tunnel 1, Mini Talon 0. Yeah, I've got to sort a few things out anyway. So that's the shed. I'm going to do a few little snippets and photographs and stuff of how it got to this far, how it's been built and stuff. But she's a 12 by 14 man cave, really. So that's what it is. So on that note, I'm going to bugger off. It's getting a bit late. It's dark outside now. I'm going to finish up a few trim bits and do a bit of silicone sealing. Make sure these windows are watertight and draft proof and stuff. So anyway, ciao for now. Watch out for the builds. That bench is going to get hot glued to buggery. Bye. Howdy folks. Getting on with the shed. Progress so far, we've got obviously the walls up. Haven't apologised for not doing too much video. Didn't have time. I was basically building the shed in amongst the rain showers, so didn't do a lot of filming. Got the security camera footage which I'll flick through at some point, and a few photographs. But apart from that, shed's up. All the insulation's in. We have, I'm just starting doing the plasterboard in. First piece of plasterboard. First fix electrics. All in. Lovely front door. Windows not in till a week and a half, so I put some plastic up just to keep the rain out for now, and then hopefully if I get the electrics on this weekend, we'll have some lights, because at the moment it's a bit dark in here. So I'm going to carry on with the plasterboard in. I will see you when it's finished. Bye.